Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Juliette Joie de Vivre. So in today's video, I've got an amazing Amazon kitchen edition for home update for your home. So all these items, as you guys know, I only get you guys the top rated, like 5-star rated, 4.5-star rated at the lowest. So these are high top rated items on Amazon for your kitchen. Check this video out. Okay, so first item up is the Stone Lane dinnerware set. There's currently over 10,000 reviews on this dinnerware set, and they're 5-star across the board, like not even 4.7. Like this is a 5-star rated item on Amazon, and it's amazing. You get this awesome modern looking, very modern, like I see this style of dinnerware, you know, like Crate and Barrel, CB2, all these really high-end modern, you know, home goods stores have these design plates in right now. So for $60 you get for the 4 set. It comes in a 4 set or an 8 set. So the 4 items you get is you get a mug, you get the dinner plate, you get the salad plate, and you get a bowl. So soup bowl or cereal bowl, dinner plate, salad plate, and the mug. So all these 4 items for 60 bucks. It comes in a black, which I love, which is the one I'm showing you guys right now. There's also a brown and a gray stone color, but the black, of course, is so chic. I just love it. So yeah, so like I said, there is a 4 set and an 8 set. So if you are looking for the 4 set, you get 16 pieces altogether. Hey, that was some math for you. So the 4 set, you get a total of 16 pieces, and for the 8 piece set, you get 32 pieces. So just depending on how, like, if this is a great gift for like a wedding registry, like if you have someone who's, you know, starting fresh and just has the space to take on all these items, getting them that 8 dinnerware set, they're set. Like you have 32 items, you are set in your kitchen. So this would make a great wedding gift as well, or just a gift to yourself because you deserve it. Okay, moving on to item number 2, let's talk about some flatware. Look how gorgeous these are, you guys. They're just so modern. They come in a ton of colors as well. There's the black and gold combo, there's like the all gold combo, there's the rose gold, and there's like a gold and red. So there's so many different color options to suit your dining table style. I think you'd be safe going with like the gold, because the solid gold can just pretty much go with anything in any kind of table setting, you know, for, you know, any kind of like holiday you want to do. The gold tableware would be your safest, best option, because it'll pretty much work with any kind of tablescape idea and color theme you want to do. And these are dishwasher safe, very durable, so you can throw them in the dishwasher, and you don't have to worry about the gold you know, covering chipping, because that happens to some cheaper pair of utensils that I've gotten before, where you wash the dishwasher and all of a sudden it just starts fading. But yeah, so these are dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about that happening to these utensils. Okay, since we're on the topic of utensils, let's talk cooking utensils. I love having in my kitchen, I love having like my wooden utensils just right next to my stove. So when I'm cooking, I can just, you know, grab something, grab a spatula, grab whatever I need. So, and I love wooden utensils just because of how durable they are, and just like for that natural looking aesthetic I like in my kitchen. So these are great, price of $25. You get a full set of your kitchen cooking utensils in an amazing wood looking design. These are non-stick, so this would be great with your non-stick cooking pots and pans. So these two will work together when you're cooking in your kitchen. Just make sure you're not using like metal on a non-stick pan. You don't want to chip that and get all that coating off. So you want to use your non-stick, you know, cooking utensils with your non-stick pots. So this would be a good pair together. How cute would this be if they sat on your kitchen counter next to your stove in this bowl here? This is another top high rated item on Amazon, 5-star rated item, so you guys will not be disappointed with this, and I think it'll work so well with this kitchen utensils. Just having them, you know, sitting in them next to your stove, it's such a great match, and they work so well together. Next item up are these double insulated coffee mugs. So you can use this for your coffee, you can use this for your tea, whatever you drink. It's just double insulated, so you're getting that second layer of insulation just to keep your beverages cooler if you're having like a cold iced tea, or hotter if you're having like a hot coffee. So this item is like 4.7 star rated, reviewed. So it's still a very, very high, high rated item, over 2,000 reviews. So it is very, very high top rated item on Amazon. For $40 for a set of 4, that is not a bad deal. Like, I don't think it's like a steal or anything like that. It does come in a variety of sizes. There's like a 16 ounce, an 8 ounce, a 5 ounce, and I think there's another size as well. So there is a variety of different sizes to choose from, just depending on how much coffee you need for the day. So yes, and these are so Instagram worthy. They just look at them, they have that like Instagram very photogenic, modern, clean look to them. I can just see this, with a nice photo of like hot chocolate just foaming out, and it's just a very, very nice glass to look at. So like I said, I don't think it's like the greatest deal, but it is a good deal. It's not like, whoa, get it guys, but it is still a good deal. That takes me to my next mug. If you guys are looking for really, really good deal mugs, this one is the one for you guys. So the Libby, this is a crystal, so this is glass crystal mugs. You get a set of 6 for $20. So this to me is a complete steal. These aren't double insulated like the ones I just showed you, so that's probably why they're not so high priced. But I feel like they do have that same vibe as the previous ones. They look just as clean. They're still very Instagram, they're still very nice to have placed on your table if you're taking like a nice Instagram photo or just to enjoy yourself. It's still a very, very nice looking glass, and I think it is a great deal for 6 crystal glass mugs for $20. Yeah, I don't think this one you guys should sleep on, and it's very, very high rated as well, so you guys will not be disappointed. Another glassware option I have for you guys today is this Duralex set of 6 tumblers for $30. So this is a great deal. I actually saw, I think, an influencer review this on Instagram, and she was saying how heavy it feels. Like, not too heavy, but when you want to like take a glass, you want to feel it in your hand. So this is a glass that has that, you feel like you're holding something. It's not just so flimsy where you feel like it's just gonna like fly out of your hands. But you don't want to go throwing this glass around. I mean, it is a glass, although it is a tempered glass. Like, Duralex has been making these for years, and they've, perfected their material so that they can say that it's chip proof and impact proof. I don't know exactly what that means, but I wouldn't suggest throwing these around. But they are tempered and made in a way that they won't chip, and they're very, very durable. And like I said before, they'll feel heavier in the hand. So if you do, put it, if you put that glass down, kind of like strong, like heavy, heavy on your table, it won't chip. Sometimes you put like a flimsy glass and you'll glass down and it'll chip. This would do that, and it comes in a very modern looking style. I really like the look of this. If I had, if you have a kitchen that has like a glass door where you can see it through, these would be so nice to display. They're very, very good, nice to look at. The last glass item I have for you guys are these wine glasses. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with Crate and Barrel, but they do have these kind of similar shape, like the square shaped wine glasses. And so these are way more cost effective than, getting them at Crate and Barrel or some other high-end stores. It's a great deal. I wouldn't say it's a steal, but it is a great deal for square shaped looking modern wine glasses. So for a set of 4, it is priced at $41. So I don't, it's not like, whoa, crazy deal, but it is still a very good deal and very well priced compared to other stores like I just mentioned. And with over 2,300 reviews, so there's a lot of reviews, with it being 4.7 star rated item. So it's an item that won't disappoint, has great reviews, and you're still getting a deal on it compared to getting it at some other higher end stores. So this next item is new to Amazon. Like, there isn't a lot of ratings. There's only like 1 review on it. So it's a very new item to Amazon, but I feel like it'll do very, very well. And it's completely stunning. This is a stunning cheese tray that has agate stones like inlaid into the material. I think this would be an exceptional gift, or gift to yourself or gift to someone. It is just absolutely stunning to look at. Like, just look at these photos, you guys. The stones are so beautiful. And if you're not using this, like if you don't plan to use this as a cheese board, how fabulous would this be as a jewelry display? Like having this in your bathroom. I'd love to put my makeup on this, you know, like my daily facial makeup or like facial creams that I use every day. Like you can bring it to the kitchen if you want. This would be a great, you know, charcuterie board or cheese board, but this would also be absolutely fabulous in your bathroom on your vanity table. It's absolutely stunning. The stones are so absolutely beautiful. It is higher priced though because it is beautiful. You know, it has those precious stones in it. So it's priced at $72, but for that price, for a stunning looking tray like this, I still think it's a very good deal because a tray like this will go for $100 on any other website. So I do think it's still a deal, although it is higher priced because, you know, I like to get you guys the deals. But this, I think, is just stunning. Will work, like I said, you know, as a great gift for yourself or for someone else in the bathroom, in the kitchen. I don't think you'll be disappointed with this one at all. Okay, so let's move on to some fruit bowls. If you guys are looking for a modern look, just a nice, clean, black, modern fruit bowls, just to set your fruit in that look very chic. This, you guys will love this one. There's 2,000, maybe like almost 3,000. There's a huge amount of reviews on this item, and priced at $16, like $15.99. It's a steal. It's not like super wow gorgeous, but I feel like it just does what it needs to do, and it still looks very nice. Like it's nice looking, but it's not like whoa, a stunning fruit bowl. But it's modern, it's clean, priced at $15, $16, 4.5-star rated item. You guys will be in good hands with this one. If you're looking for something that has a little bit more to it, if you do like your fruit bowls to have a little bit more pizzazz, then this next one you guys will like more. So this one has it's still a black wired bowl, but it has 2 layers to it. So this one catches my eye more than that previous fruit bowl I showed you guys. Just with the double layer and that mesh, it's very, very, very modern and different. I haven't seen anything in this kind of style. Priced at $38 though, so it is, you know, way more expensive than the $15 fruit bowl, but it looks really, really cool. And this is a more of a eye-catching, stunning, like your eyes will look at it, you know, when someone walks into your kitchen. It is a very unique and beautiful fruit bowl to look at. Okay, for all you cooks out there that like having your salt and pepper, you know, on your kitchen counter, this is another way to upgrade and make your kitchen look a little bit more chic. If you don't want the, you know, if you don't want the salt and pepper sticker that they come in when you get them to the grocery store, I love this option to, you know, put your salt and pepper in, and they just look so chic, so modern. These two are, this item, it's a pair, and priced at $38, I think $40 is like around $40, because it is marble. You're getting, you know, 100% marble, so it's heavier and it's more durable. Marble will last you guys, you know, your whole lifetime really, so you don't have to think about replacing these. It's but it is a higher priced item, but I just love how clean, modern, and just how fun would this be displayed, you know, when you're cooking. Just have your salt there and your pepper there. They just would be a vibe. They're absolutely stunning salt and pepper sets. If that wasn't in your price range, there's another option I want to show you guys. This is just for one, so you're getting just the one marble bowl with a gold spoon. It is better priced at $18, but you're also just getting one. You know, so the other one, at least you get the salt and the pepper, and they just look so nice together as a set. This one is like, maybe you'd use it if you just want to have your salt out, like if you don't really put a lot of pepper on your food and you just have salt. I really love how this one comes with the little gold spoon, so you don't have to necessarily put your fingers in there. Like if that's not what you want to do, you just want to like have a spoon to season your food. This is a great option. As well as for making your own seasoning and spices. If there's a certain spice you like to put on your chicken, on your beef, you know, this is a great way to just mix it all up together to make your original spice and put it in this bowl, and then you can just have that spoon to make your own personalized spices. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed these modern, top-rated items on Amazon to upgrade and update your kitchen. These items, like, you know, like I just said, are all top-rated, highly top-rated items on Amazon, so you won't be disappointed. If you guys love this video, please be sure to like and please be sure to subscribe so I can bring you guys some more awesome, amazing finds. Okay guys, thank you so much and I'll see you soon. Bye.